Look how good that fire's going.
It's a few picks home, you idiot.
Okay. What are we making tonight?
We are gonna do barbecued shrimp po' boys. They're gonna be delicious. We're also gonna put a jalapeno.
Is it hot?
I
guess we're about to find out, aren't we?
We're about to find out, right?
I'm gonna get that big one. I don't
Okay.
care. Yeah. Bell pepper.
So disappointing. All right, so first up, we're gonna get this butter melted. We got some shrimps here that are peeled and deveined, but we gotta take the tail off. And then we're gonna throw it in here with the butter and the jalapenos. And then we're gonna hit it with some of this special.
Can I say something? That jalapeno's coming on right now. It's got a little something back there.
A little bit.
Go on. All right. Whose is that?
This is our buddy Derek's special barbecue rub. Shout out to @HammySagar Barbecue on Instagram. Go follow him.
It all begins with the butter.
We are going to take the tails off of these shrimp.
Let me see those things. Oh, my tail. Well, this is going to take a while. What's next?
We are going to wait for that butter to melt all the way. It's almost there. Maybe we should throw another log on the fire.
Here. That's what I got this for.
Hey man, keep the ash out of the butter. So these are gonna take a little bit longer than the shrimp, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these going.
Ooh!
Watch your toes.
What's your best shrimp story?
I think it's gonna involve fishing down at the Gulf Coast with...
Oh, is that when everybody got like food poisoning and sick
yeah.
from all the raw shrimp?
I don't know if that's why.
Yeah, you know that's what it was. We were fishing with raw shrimp and everybody got thrown up.
It was disgusting.
That was a good trip.
Oh, that's so hot.
You get splattered?
No, it's just really hot on my hand.
Yeah, you'll be all right.
These are not going to take very long at all, but we're going to go heavy-handed.
Yeah, I think we should.
A little bit more. Oh man, that's going to be tasty. Yeah.
What are we doing?
Dinner high five.
I can't hear you. What'd you say?
Dinner high five.
Dinner high five.
Dinner high five? You got to smack it really hard.
Oh! Nice. Oh!
So we're gonna put that on a po' boy. We got some of those Cherokee Purples.
My
We
favorite.
got some Dukes. We got some thinly sliced red onions.
Yum!
And I think that's it. I think that's all we got.
Okay, let's do it.
It's gonna be fire.
Why are you waiting so long?
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna split these French baguettes. And we're gonna paint them
What is
with
baguette French for?
boat. It's like a...
Bago bread.
All right, so some of that shrimp butter sauce. Yeah, man.
Look at that.
Stop, dude. Ew. This is the ultimate tomato ever. This is a Cherokee Purple. Ooh, oh, it went right through. You know why it went right through? I'm gonna tell you, education real quick. Cherokee Purples are so delicious because their skin is very thin, like me. You should pan up and down. Yeah.
B-roll.
All right, Dukes. I was born ready. Roll. What movie is that from? You don't know it. I do. Hold on. Here. See, this is gonna get a lot of mayo because these are po' boys, and that's like the main ingredient. Mm-hmm. Is it Corey Feldman? Yes. No, it's not Corey Feldman. Are you sure? It's not. It's the older brother from the Wonder Years, that's right. And it is Pee-wee's Big Adventure. That's right. I don't like mayonnaise to touch my fish. I'm just kind of weird like that. Okay, weirdo. I'm gonna go tomato, a little bit of lettuce, sprinkle some of these, and then I'm gonna hit it with some of this right here. Are you gonna go like Bahama Breeze level shrimp? Like a big old pile? You mean like coconut crusted shrimp? Yeah.
It's average person.
Let's see that thing. Oh, split it and quit it. Bruh. It's gonna be good. There you go. Barbecue shrimp po' boys. Basically melted some butter, sauteed the shrimp over the fire, added some of Hammy Sagar's barbecue rub. Can't forget the Dukes. You got access to this, you got to get it. And Cherokee Purples, some thin red onions, and some green leaf lettuce. Here you go. Boom. Yeah. That's an amazing po' boy. That's it. Did it. Woo!